Formula is E hand length, N hand armhole height, I hand armhole loose, F hand loose, J and K body front and back hand armhole cross. Draw all the diagrams. First, write the measurements. E, N, I, F, J, K. These are the measurements required to cut the sleeve part. Now the E measurement is 9.5, then 3, then 6 1/4 I, then F 11 1/2, then J 1 1/2, then K 1 1/4. These are the measurements required to draw a sleeve drawing. First, now take the center to fold the chart paper. This measurement is I hand armhole plus 2 inches, that is 6.5. I 6.5 plus 2 inches 8.5 inch. Fold the chart. Now from bottom take 1.25 inch and draw a straight line for bottom folding purpose and name it as 57. Name it as 57. Then from 57 take the sleeve height 9.5 inch plus add half inch, total 10 inches. 9.5 plus half inch top piece stitching purpose, total 10 inch, and draw a straight line. Name it as 58. Name it as 58. Then from 58 towards downside take the N hand armhole height 3 inches and draw a straight line. N hand armhole height and draw a straight line and name it as 59. From 59 take the I measurement, hand armhole loose 6.5, 6.25 and name it as 60. From 60 take 1.5 inch for side stitching purpose and name it as 61. Name it as 61. For all the blouses, side stitching is 1.5 inch is enough for loose tight purpose. Now hand loose 11.5. We are cutting in the folding type, so divide that measurement into 2 is 5 3/4. Now take the 5 3/4 measurement from 57. Take the 5 3/4 measurement from 57 and name it as 62. Name it as 62. Then from 62 to take stitching purpose 1.5 inch and name it as 63. and name it as 63. Now join the 60 and 62 mark, then 61 to 63 mark with the scale. Draw the bottom folding part as crossly. Bottom folding part as crossly. Now take the J and K measurement from 60 towards inside. J measurement and name it as 64. Take the J measurement from 60 towards inside and name it as 64. From 60, take inside K measurement, back cross measurement, and name it as 65. Name it as 65. Name it as 64 and 65. Now join the marks 58 and 64 with a scale. Now join the mark with 64 and 58. The scale. Measure the distance between 64 and 58 and mark 4 equal parts. This mark the 4 equal parts, and again we are telling from 64 take 58 distance between these points, divide those measurements into 4. For example, total 6 inches, 1 and half, 3 and 4 and half and 6. See, 1 and half, 3, 4 and half and 6. Now the center point is, name is 66. The point name is 66. The center between 67 and 70. 66, 67 and 68. These are the points required. Name it down. Now from 67 take 0.25 quarter inch towards top side, and from 68 take quarter inch towards downside and name it as 69 and 70. 69 and 70. And 70. This is for burned front curve bend purpose. Now join the mark from 58 to 69, then 69 to 66, then 66 to 70, then 70 to 64. This is front curve. This bend is said to be as front curve. Front curve. Then from 66 take half inch to upside and name it as 71. From 66 towards top, take half inch and name it as 71. Draw the curve from 58 to 71, then from 71 to 65 as the diagram shows to you. Draw the curve as shows to you. Now this sleeve diagram is ready. Now we can cut it out the diagram. Start from the bottom, cut it down till to the 61 mark, then cut it down the back side first, 58, 71, 65, then 61. After taking the half side, now cut down the front part, mark the center and cut it down the front part also by lifting the one side only.